Tonight I'm making some root beer venison jerky.
2 cups of root beer, 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar,
1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne.
I'm gonna bring this to a boil, then immediately reduce it to a simmer and let it simmer for 25 minutes.
This is a top round. Flip those chunks on their side.
Beautiful.
It's been 24 hours, so now I need to rinse these and then lay them out on the tray. I need another tray.
Pat these dry. This is the brand new Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma. It is an auto feed charcoal grill. This is what it's looking like a little over 1 hour in.